Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. After this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. So today we are going to do still information processing, mail match, and 6 it is, and 6 mail match. So today we're just going to create some field names, right? So what you do, you just open a Word document, then you go to mailings. Here's your mailings. Then you go to start mail match, right? Then you go to step by step, press there. Then you go starting document. It must be letters here, so it's starting document. Then it says use the current document, start from a template, start from existing. You go with the using the current document. You're using the current document. So you select recipients. Sorry about that. Select recipients, right? Then you select. Then here you are not going to use an existing list, which means you have to tap a new list. You go here, tap a new list, then you go to create. Then it will bring something like this. So remember, you have to do your own field names. There are field names here, but we are not using these field names. These ones are too different from these ones which we have in a question paper. So you go to customize columns. Then you have to delete these field names, right? So it's delete, then yes. To be more faster, you press D, then Y, D, Y, D, Y, D, Y, D, Y, delete, yes. So you delete all those field names. So then you can put your own field names. So our first field name it's sing, it's a venue. So you have to put these field names. These ones, this is just an information. This one is a field name. They're supposed to be here, right? So our first field name, we say add. Our first field name is venue. Then okay. Then add. Our second is program director. Okay. Add presenter 1. Okay. Add presenter 2. Okay. Presenter 3. Presenter 4. Presenter 5. Presenter 6. Right, then that's it. Then okay, then this is your field names, right? So then you have to put all this information, right? So venue 1, venue 2, venue 3, you have to put these venues here. Venue 1, venue 2, venue 3. Midrand Hotel is on venue, so which means it goes here to be capital letters. Midrand Hotel. Then for you to add another row, you have to go to new entry. Then you add another venue, Atlantis Hotel. When you are done, you go to new entry, then you add another Table Bay Hotel. Table Bay Hotel. Right? So then program director, you're going to fill them here. It's Prof J Mason. Then you add another program director, the following one, this one. It's another program director, Dr. K. Anderson. Then you add the following one, Prof. R. Skosana. Prof. R. Skosana. When you're done, then you go to presenter. You fill in presenter here. Dr. A. Pillay. Is it Pillay? 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 Must be capital letters. Then, like that, there's a presenter one, which means in presenter one, you're going to fill all these presenters. Then presenter two here, you're going to fill them also until here. And also remember the instructions. The instructions said ensure that your examination number and question number, question 8A, appear on the printout, which means it must have your examination number and question number, right? Because if it doesn't, there's a possibility that they don't mark it. So it must have your examination number and question number. So what you can do from here, oh, and also it says use Arial 10, use a landscape orientation, right? So after filling all this on your field here, you just save it. Excuse me, you just go by okay. Then you save to your desktop. You write a question number. So that you can, any name that you can remember, I will just write a question number, question 8A, right? Then you save. Then that's it. Then okay. Then we go to our desktop now because you have to do your printout, right? You go to your desktop. Here is your question A. So you just come and do like this. So here you enable a content. Then like this. So your information is here already, right? Okay, let me just show you the one which I've already done, but it must come like this, right? So here, remember they say that you must there must be your examination number and question number, and also it must be landscape orientation, right? So let me show you with the one which I've already did. You go to tables and click it. It's like this. So what you do, you can just here on tables. Here on tables, I don't know whether people can see it right. Here on tables, that's where you can rename, which means you come here and rename, right? You rename. Yeah? So which means I'll just have to show you guys with the one which I was doing now, so you can see how you can rename. It did give me a problem last when I was still studying. It did give me a problem. So if it's like this, right? It's like this. So if it's like this, which means you don't open it, you close it, you leave it like this, then you right click, you rename your student, your examination number. Normally it's your ID number, then make a space, then your question number 8A. Then that's it. You open it. Immediately when you open it, it will show here. It will have your question number and your examination number. So before printing it, you must make sure that every detail is visible. So you just drag it a bit so they can see, right? Just drag it a bit so they can be visible. So before printing it out, you go to File, you go to Print, you go to Print Preview. Before printing out, Print Preview. So already you have your examination number and question number. Here they state that it must be Arial 10 and landscape orientation. First thing first, we are going to change this. This is a portrait orientation. We're going to use a landscape orientation. There it goes. Then it must be what? 10 point, right? Home. Testing. Close preview. Then home. So which means after changing to a landscape, you close the preview, then you go home, then it will take out all this information. What you do, just come here and select Arial. Arial, it has already changed. Then 10 already changed. Then you go back on File again, then Print, then Print Preview. You double check your work. It's landscape. It has your student number and your question number, and also it is on Arial 10 point, right? Then that's it. Then File, then you print it just like that. So I hope you guys will understand it. Thank you. See you next time.